لأن آلة الذكر ما هي؟ اللسان. ما هي آلة الذكر؟ اللسان. فأنت عبرت بالآلة وتريد الناتج عن تلك الآلة.
Zaytuna College's Masters in Islamic Texts offers a course of study in Islamic law. Our approach is to train students in classical jurisprudence while attuning their education to modern challenges in the field. The Islamic law concentration studies core texts of fiqh and usul, allowing students to engage with the great scholars of our past and apply their learning to the modern context. Students learn the methodologies behind usul and the higher aims of the law, equipping them to interpret and apply the Sharia while considering legal and ethical implications. We invite you to join the Islamic law concentration in our graduate program and explore our living tradition.